Wow, it's growing. So just cook. So here's my breakfast. Okay, so today I am going to make some bean sprout. I have here mungo beans. I already put water for about 12 hours actually. You should put in a water in only 10 hours. But I forgot about it and then I was so busy, so now I'm trying to wash it. Rinse it like many times. So we found this one. This is the most needed. So we're going to put some wipes because I don't have cotton. Paper towel. This is paper. What's at the bottom? So our base is already ready. So let's put the mungo beans, the beans.
Been afraid of changes, but you show me life is full.
Flatted balance. Okay. There you are, it's ready. Now we're going to cover. So it's ready. Just put some water in it every morning and night. Let's put it somewhere safe. So I'm going to cover it with plate because this is rice cooker steamer. So it's safe now. Okay, so this is the day 2 of the bean sprout. Oh, wow. See? Nice. It's working. Anyway, we're going to cover it and put some water. Should I just do that so that the water drains? I'm happy. So here's my breakfast. This bread is wheat bread and then banana, avocado, and apple. I put a hole in one bread and then I put one bread as a base and then I put some egg and then black pepper and then I put in the microwave for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. So that's it. It's ready. Bon appetit. So here's my day 3 of bean sprout. Look. Wow, it's growing. Okay, let's cover it. Put some water. Okay, let's cover while it's draining. Okay, so this is the bean sprout already. It's growing. And I think you can use some of it. Yeah, some are still small. Some are already tall. So probably just pick the long ones and then try to continue the small ones. Like this one. This is still small. And also this one, there's still mungo beans. So these are the bean sprout. I removed the roots and then put in the fridge to cook it later. So these are the bean sprout. 5-day of bean sprout. So it's ready. Yay.
Saan na siya? Tapos may karne.
Saan?
Isang may karne.
Saan yun ay karne? Yeah, let's remove it right now. Ta-dang!
Masas lang magdula siya.
Ayaw mag-uninstall. Lapot man. Ano man? May mag-uninstall ang zombie ma? Ah, wala day. Dila ko gyapon ka. Paano ka mo kami?
We're not young, but we're still free and running. And this day has never kept us bothering. Every day we dance and lives been smiling. We're not young, still breathing. Oh, I got you.
Lina, summer na.
Chasing pavement on my own. 'Cause you're here to stay every night and
So, my father is washing the sweet potato. So, this is our pot right here. We are going to make some fire. Move this ashes.
I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la.
This is so dry. From the left to the right. This is how you do it.
Time is up, nothing to do. You are gone, that makes me blue. But here he comes to take me to.
One of the things you need to do during lockdown is this one because you can save gas. Because you can't buy gas when everything's closed, right? Everybody's moving. Ooh. There's a fire. Okay, so this is the sweet potato. It's so heavy. Sakto ne. Oh yeah. I use cartoon. So just cook it and then until it boils and then until it's cool. So I'm eating the sweet potato which is violet that looks like ube. I also have here Korean noodles. Yum 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 yum.
Asahan mo, pag-ibig ko'y tunay. Is ko'y laging kapiling ka. Alam mo bang tanging ligaya ka?
Our dinner, chicken soup.
Bahi ramang na.
It's my father, no hair. So my mom's making some hot cake right now. Looks like this. Wow. So yum. So the ingredients for this, cinnamon, flour, condensed, 3 egg yolk, flour, water.
Dua ka basong tubig.
So this is the
Ito primero isa.
cake,
Kaupat
hot cake. That one, yum.
Mahal ba yan nga ingredients?
Ay, muna special dance.
Special dance man eh.
Halay
Special dance.
special dance.
This is the pancake. And then I put some margarine. I put some peanut butter. Is it weird? Tastes good. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you will see more videos of me traveling around Philippines, other countries. Also, if you wanna see more videos of Mindanao, my home life that you'll never see in the other channel.